What's the meaning of consolidate? Consolidate. Consolidate.
Consolidate. Consolidate. The term consolidate refers to the process of combining multiple things into a single, unified whole. In financial terms, it can refer to the process of merging multiple companies or accounts into one. The goal of consolidation is to simplify and streamline operations, reduce redundancies, and improve efficiency. The result of consolidation can include a stronger and more stable entity, increased bargaining power, and potentially cost savings through economies of scale. However, consolidation can also lead to job losses and a decrease in competition if it results in a monopolistic market.